This is taking way longer than it should. Got it. These are very crucial to those back seats. These little pins are on both sides. And if you lose these, the seat will probably pop out. So they're very easy to lose. Sometimes they're kind of have the tension put in, and when you pull it, they like to pop out. These ones aren't too bad, they're pretty loose, but sometimes these like to fly. So the seats are in. The seats are finally in with the carpet. I think it looks great in here. There is a night and day difference with the sound. It was really pretty loud. A lot of rattling noises from just bumping down the road. I need to get some floor mats here, definitely for the winter time, something that can catch water. But the carpet looks really good, I think. There's a couple spots that I know that probably could have been better. A large portion of the part that I hated the most is right underneath here. I do not know what took me so long to get that console in. Just could not see the screw holes. I could see the one that's there. That's an easy bracket to do. But I could see one hole in here. Could not see the other hole. Could not find it. And then this one here I didn't see at all. And I just shoved it in there. Eventually it finally caught the hole and screwed in. So let me show you the other side. Here's that part that I messed up. Can't really tell at all. I might take I know it sounds stupid, but I might take a black marker, color that in a little bit. This one here, you can't really tell at all. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with it.